In Commitment 2026, law enforcement members have a warning about what could happen if Constitutional Amendment 3 passes in November. The Florida Sheriff's Association argues the ballot measure lacked a clear plan to fund law enforcement and emergency services. West 2's Justin Shecker talked with the newly elected president of the Sheriff's Association.
It's been less than a week since Marion County Sheriff Billy Woods began serving as the president of the Florida Sheriff's Association.
The 67 sheriffs came together. We made a decision so that we put this statement out so that the citizens are going to be educated.
The statement released by the FSA on Monday says it is significantly concerned with Constitutional Amendment 3, which potentially allows Tallahassee to control your local budgets, creates longer law enforcement response times, and limits communities' abilities to provide road repair and stormwater removal.
There's just not a clear path, and we need to see a clear path of how do you get there, because again, I'll say it, you just don't jump into the deep end if you're not sure you can swim or not.
Sheriff Woods says 95% of his law enforcement budget is funded by property taxes. He says his agency already needs 125 additional deputies because of his county's population growth.
Predicted off the experts, in 3 to 4 years, I need an additional 350 some deputies. So the question is if it's going to be cut, how am I going to get there? How do I retain the positions I have? And that's the question a lot of us sheriffs have.
While Sheriff Woods has endorsed Lieutenant Governor Jake Collins, who supports Amendment 3, about half of the state's elected sheriffs are backing Byron Donalds in the race for governor.
The people of Florida are not never-ending piggy banks for government. They are not. We have to have restraint. Obviously, we show that at the state level. We also need to have that at the local level. So I'm going to support the amendment.
The Republican frontrunner told West 2 on Friday he's concerned about how fiscally constrained counties will make up for a major loss in revenue.
We want to make sure that there's a funding formula in Tallahassee so they're not having to hire lobbyists to come sing for their supper.
Will you be voting yes or no for Amendment 3 in November?
That's what's great about this nation. I can walk into that box and that curtain closes behind me and it stays a secret. But I do have concerns moving forward in this election.
For Commitment 2026, I'm Justin Shecker.